Getting tired of constant notifications from a specific app on your iPhone? It's super easy to turn them off. In this video, I'll show you how to disable notifications for any app step by step. Let's dive in. Method 1. Disable notifications from the Settings app. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Notifications. Find and tap the app for which you want to turn off notifications. Toggle the switch next to Allow Notifications to turn it off. Exit the settings and you will no longer receive notifications from that specific app. Method 2. Turn off app notifications for Focus mode. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap Focus. Select the focus mode you want to configure. Tap Do Not Disturb. Tap Apps. Tap Plus. Add the apps you want to avoid receiving notifications. After adding that, swipe down from the top, enable Dots Not to Disturb. After, you will stop receiving notifications from specific apps. Now you know how to easily turn off notifications for any app on your iPhone. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching.